No. No.
Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Farmington, Point Marion, Fairchance, Smithfield, Mark-Visburg, Chalkill, and Ohio Pile. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flash flood warning. At 6:18 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Get legal or visit CordellCordell.com to schedule your consultation. There's a lot on the line in divorce. This is Joe Cordell of Cordell and G56.
I'm done.